Man's body found with bullet wound, one eye missing in Spanish Town. Elderly woman dies from motor vehicle crash in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The body of an unidentified man was found with what appears to be a gunshot wound near Tall's Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. Reports are that about 11 a.m., residents stumbled upon the body across from a tire shop in Tall's Meadows and alerted the police. On their arrival, the police found the body lying lifeless on the back with the left eye missing and what appeared to be a bullet wound to the head. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. No motive has yet been established behind the killing. An elderly woman died from injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle crash in Westmoreland on Friday morning. The deceased has been identified as Ismail Wood of a Little London, Westmoreland address. Reports from the Corporate Communications Unit, the communications arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, are that about 11:30 a.m., Wood was driving along the Big Bridge Main Road in Westmoreland when she lost control of the vehicle, which hit a utility pole before crashing into a concrete wall. The police were summoned and Wood was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. The Westmoreland police are investigating the incident.